Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about some of the remedies that you can do at home for Sunny Dev. Now if you are going through a Mahadasa of Sunny Dev or Antardasa or some kind of transit, then this video is for you. Now the first one is reciting Bees mantra of Sunny Dev, which is Om Sam Sanai Sarai Nama. This mantra is short and easier to pronounce and easier to remember as well. So you can do it at home without needing anybody's help. So what you do is you take a Rudraksha mala of 108 beads and recite either one mala per day, or you can increase up to 3, 5, 7 times or 9 times according to your capacity. Make sure it's odd number, and if it's challenging for you to recite every day, then you can recite on every Saturday as well, because Saturday is the day of Sunny. Now the second one is worshipping Hanumanji. It is believed that worshipping Hanumanji will protect you from the negative influence of Sunny Dev, right? So it's because Hanumanji is one of the most powerful immortal gods. He is Ashtachiranjeevi and he's always around you. So if you ask him for some favors, he listens to you quickly because he's always around, and he also answers your prayers faster than any other gods or goddesses. Now, how can you worship Hanumanji then? So you can worship Hanumanji either by reciting Hanuman Chalisa every day, or what you can do is you can fast on Tuesdays for Hanumanji, which is my personal favorite because I've been fasting for Hanumanji for the last 2 years and I have seen many great results because of that. So you can fast on Tuesdays and recite Hanuman Chalisa either one time, 3 times, or 11 times. I do 11 times, or you can go up to 40 times as well, according to your capacity. The third one is offering some water to people tree. So what you can do is you can visit a nearby people tree and offer some water to people tree, or pour some water to people tree while reciting Sunny's bees mantra. So doing so will mitigate Sunny's ill effect on you. The another one is you can put some black gram dal or lentil on a black cloth, which is also called urad or mas in Nepali. You can put it on a cloth and tie it around and donate in a Sunny temple on Saturday. One is called Chayadan, in which what you do is you keep some mustard oil in an iron bowl and you look at your reflection in that mustard oil and donate that mustard oil in a Sunny temple on Saturday. Feeding black dogs and crows. It's always good to feed animals, but if you feed black dogs and crows, because black is associated with the colors of Saturn, and if you feed black dogs and crows every other day or whenever you can, then it is believed to mitigate the ill effects of the Sunny, especially during Sade Sati and Dhaiya, or whenever you're transiting through Saturn's Mahadasa. Another one is charity and donations. I think this is one of the most powerful remedy for Sunny. Since Sunny is a karmic planet, it rewards those who does good works and good deeds. So if you donate to people who are in need, the old ones, or the disabled ones, or the children, right? So it rewards you in tenfolds. Or at the least, what it does is it makes your life easier. Now, one thing you should keep in mind is that while donating or while doing good works, you should not expect anything back. You should donate or do good work purely from the goodness of your heart without expecting anything back. Otherwise it will not work. Now the last one is to wear a ring made out of horseshoe. Since horseshoes are made out of iron, and it is believed that horseshoes are excessively used and rusted, right? So the iron made out of horseshoe is more powerful in mitigating Saturn's ill effects. So if you create a ring out of that iron, it is a good alternative for Saturn's gemstones as well, because gemstones related to Saturn is sapphire, and it is not advisable to wear that blue sapphire without astrological consultation. However, you can put on a ring made out of iron from horseshoe, which will do the same work as Saturn's gemstone, which is Neelam. So you can wear that ring without any astrological consultation, without needing any professional help, and it will help you mitigate Saturn's ill effect. Now if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and if you have any questions regarding these remedies, please comment down below. Or if you don't know what kind of dasa you are going through, please comment your date of birth, place of birth and time of birth. I'll have a look and tell you which mahadasa you are going through, whether you are going through Saturn or not. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.